What's up? This Marcus with Green Solutions. I'm at one of my cleaning contracts. I just want to show y'all guys a quick overview of what I do. This is what I do here for Nissan training facility. We had to vacuum. We keep the floors clean, so on and so on and so forth. Sorry about the noise in the background. It's a trash can. I'm rolling the trash can. If you look at the floors, I pretty much keep those, buffed, waxed, script, and everything. So to keep the client happy. Like I said, it's just one of my cleaning contracts that we do over here at Green Solutions. Like I said, it's actually a training facility. So I'm responsible for the vacuum, straighten up the chairs, um, so on and so forth. Cleaning the restrooms. So this, like I say, this Marcus, man, this is what I do outside of the mobile detailing. Um, just giving y'all a short tour of what I do, man. Um, I want y'all guys to stay prayed up. I like to send a prayer for the students that lost their lives on the other day in Florida. Man, the killing had to stop, man. Um, that's all I can say. We had to straighten up as people, man. But God bless y'all. Deuces.